Alright, Rapnir. I'm about to make a sound for you. One that will put you under my control.
Hello?
Well, look what the cat dragged in.
Oh, meow? Oh my god.
Hello again, friend. That's my friend, Rapnir. Let there be light.
Oh, I didn't see you pass me.
I didn't.
Oh, what are you guys watching?
Trains. Rapnir likes them a lot.
Yeah, but, anyway, I'm surprised you invited me out tonight. What made you wanna... Oh, what's going on over...
Don't pay him any mind. That's our maid. Well, Skuck, now that you've made yourself known, let's show him our little trick. I taught him 38 languages.
El gato trasina dentro un... El gato trasina dentro un...
Wow, Skuck. Good job. Let's try a different one.
El gato trasina dentro un...
He's still working on speaking. Ain't that right, Rapnir?
Man, it looked like the bottle was trying to run away.
Squelching Squisher! Envisioning Embezzler! Bedlam Befuddler! Double Leaning Jowler! Come on, Rapnir. Say it. Greasy Gripper.
Yeah, come on, man. Let the guy play his own hand.
Zesty Zilcher! Turbulent Transgressions! Factorial Fury! Stingy Jaguar! This is too easy. Life is good. You're not too good at this one, are you, buddy? Maybe I'll throw you a bone next time, sport. Not! Racketeering Romulus! Yes. Shut up!
And with that, I think I've won.
Oh, for Pete's sake! You didn't even say Jangling Jackalope. How about some hard liquor? I feel good as new.
Thank you.
I'm gonna kill you right now.
What'd you say?
I said I'm gonna give you a pillow right now.
Why are you lying like that?
It's tiger knee position.
You need to help him. He's stuck in there.
Whoa!